Another great co-authoring feature is the ability to compare and merge your presentations. Now, what this means is if I happen to be working in a document and I have a specific version, like say that, for example, this is like a new employee orientation presentation, which is what we're working with today, and someone else has a different version, I'm able to go through and compare the versions, compare the changes that have been made, and I can either accept them all or I'm able to reject them all and go from there. I can even accept specific aspects of the presentation that I want to use. I bet you're wondering, why would I want to use this feature when, co-authoring exists so easily? This can be a helpful feature if you maybe are a manager and you want to be able to review a presentation that an employee is working on. This is just a great way to kind of add to that review process if you happen to be working on something and want to make sure something gets through its final stages of approval before it gets uploaded to a shared location. To get to the review and compare section, I'm going to go up to my review tab, and in the compare section on the ribbon, I'm going to click compare. And then I'm just going to go through and find the document that I'm going to compare to. So I want to use this new hire training. I'm going to click merge, and this panel on the right-hand side is going to open up, and it's going to tell me what changes have been made. Now, this can be anything from slide changes, theme changes, and it's just going to denote what's been changed, and then I can go through and I can either accept all the changes or I can go through and accept individual changes. I can even reject them all if I would like. Now, on this reviewing pane, I want to start with the slide section. Now, this not only gives me a preview of what the new slide, like what the changes look like, but I also can click this little caret. I can accept changes by this reviewer, I can preview animations, or I can reject. So I'm actually going to select this to select the changes. It's going to bump me to the next slide deck, because again, this is a reviewing technique. It allows you to kind of go through and review the changes that have been made, and you can accept or reject them. It's kind of just a little bit more of an in-depth track changes, if you will. So when I jump here to my next slide, I'm going to go through and look at the specific details. So I can see kind of how the slide is shifted, and I do like the way that it looks, but let's see what the details are. So I'm able to go to slide properties. It tells me that the background and slide layout have changed. So that's definitely shifted. And you know what? I think I want to change that. So I can either select the background, just the background, or the slide layout. So let's start with that first. So I can accept that. That's a new background. Okay, slide layout. Oh, I just adjust the layout. So we'll do all those. So it'll select those changes. And you'll notice as I go through and make those changes that the little paper and pencil will show up. And they'll say check mark as like they've been reviewed. So I can kind of go through. I even can see the option for the theme down at the bottom. So slide changes is anything on the slide. So that can be text, layout, format, all that. And then presentation changes are things that are kind of across the board. So like theme, animations, transitions will all be in that the presentation changes. So I do like the way this layout is. So I'm actually just going to select this to adjust. And it'll adjust the color scheme to whatever theme I currently have selected. So this is just more looking at this. So now that that's been set up there. So as we keep going, I actually do like the theme too. So, it'll affect the following slides. We'll just keep this as is. So I don't want to affect all the slides right now. So we'll go in and I can go through and make all the changes. Again, by either selecting the slide like this, or by going through on the details pane and going through all the individual. Now, when I'm all set and I'm done with my review, I just have to click End Review. But before we do that, I do want to point out that similar to if you've worked with like track changes before, you can go through, you can accept changes, all changes to a specific slide or all changes to a presentation. So you can kind of go through and do it that way as well. But when you're done, just click End Review. And then it says, you sure you want to end review? This will end the review and any unapplied changes will be discarded. You click yes, and then when you're done, your presentation is all set and you've been able to compare. You can always go back and compare documents again. If you were like, oh, I really liked the way that was set up, I want to use that version, you can always go back, compare those documents and add those changes to your PowerPoint.